Hi guys, my name is Maria and welcome back to Maria Escapes. Welcome to the part 6 and the final part of my birthday vlog. Today we're checking out Wyndham Garden Kamala and heading to our last hotel in Phuket, the Thavern Resort and Spa Village, a beautiful 5-star property where we'll be staying for 2 nights. Come with me as I show you how my stay went, explore the resort and its amenities, and take you along for the last 3 days of my Phuket birthday trip. And if you've been enjoying this series, please don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps me support my passion for traveling, editing, and documenting the little moments in my life. Let's go! Ay, ang galing, may nabook show. Dahil tingnan natin yan, oh. Kahit libre pa yan. Magbabayad pa ako.
Tingnan mo lang yung fish.
Para matroma. May free activity sila. Wow. Global Awards.
Seven morning to 10:30. Okay. You can call the buggy to the restaurant for tomorrow. Number 0. For lunch and dinner, have two restaurants. Malisa and Crocodile start 11:30 to 11 p.m. Crocodile is fusion food like a pizza, barbecue, and Malisa is Asian food. Next to Malisa, we have coffee shop Thai Sala open 10 to 6 p.m. Our swimming pool is open 7 to 7 and bar start 11 to 7. We have spa. Shan Spa is open 9 to 9 and last order 8 p.m. If you would like to reserve, you can call number 602.
Okay.
Your room is consumed with cable car. You can go with the cable car, just go up and down to the room. Open 7 to 8 p.m. And after 8 p.m. we have practice service 24 hours.
Okay.
Also we have petting zoo. Morning 9 to 10, afternoon 4 to 5. Petting zoo in front of the beach. It's free. And shuttle bar is complimentary service for the guests. 2 patong have 0 per day. And 2 Kamala have 1 per day. You can reserve
Hotel to
30 minutes in advance or call number 0. After you check in, you can log in Wi-Fi under hotel name, ID, room number, and password, your last name. And during to waiting the room, you can use this sister.
Oh, okay.
If you need more information or any assistance, you can scan one-stop service in the room. Our number 0 for contact front desk. Number 7 is room service and 602 for
We actually arrived at Thavern a little earlier than the official check-in time, but the check-in process itself was such a breeze. After they briefed us about our stay, the property policies, and the restaurant schedules, we were given access to their VIP lounge. The lounge was air-conditioned and had some snacks and refreshments available, which was a nice place to relax while we waited. We decided to explore the property first and then headed back to the VIP lounge to rest until our room was ready at 3 p.m. And I completely understand the check-in time process. As someone who also works in the hospitality business and manages an Airbnb property, I know that when a place is fully booked, it's important to follow the proper checkout and check-in schedules. That time in between is needed to make sure rooms are properly cleaned and prepared for the next guests. So while waiting can sometimes feel a little inconvenient, it's all part of making sure everyone has a comfortable stay.
Okay, so gusto ko lang i-share. Maganda dito. This is my third leg of the trip. Kasi yung first, dun sa Sugar Marina. Yung second is in Windham, Kamala. And this is the third one. Last talaga, pinalast ko talaga siya kasi this is a 5-star resort. Ang ganda niya, oh. What I don't like, hindi naman yung resort, but yung experience ko sa VIP area. Tapos, sa VIP lounge, pagpasok namin, yung door kasi nun, malakas. Yung pagka-isasarado mo, bigla na lang siyang, hindi mo siya ibabang. Talagang biglang malakas siya. Kailangan mo siyang hawakan ng dahan-dahan. So, nung paglabas namin, actually, dalawang group lang naman kami. Ako, yung group ko, and yung group ng isang Indian family. Sabi ng guy, pwede pag lumabas kayo, hinaan nyo yung pagsarado. Parang it's as if the way he said it, intentional na nilakasan. You get it? Iba kasi yung, pwede bang pakisara ng, parang pwedeng yung stop mo yung, parang soft yung pag-close. Pwedeng hawakan nyo yung door sa pag-close. Parang ganon. The way he said it, it's as if we closed it intentionally para magising yung anak nila. So, ganon. Tapos, syempre, na-piss off ako na parang kairita. Ayan, ang ganda, oh. Ayan si Lian. Ang birthday girl talaga na maraming reklamo sa life. Hindi ko alam kung ano pinagdadaanan mo, girl, pero baka maalala mo lang na birthday ko at hindi mo birthday. Ayun. So, I'm so excited to see my room kasi I really picked this hotel as my birthday gift for myself. Because I love myself. Sabi nila, they upgraded me. But I don't know if it's true. Parang yata, oo. Hillside lang dapat. Pero ang naging, is Hillside Sea View. Ang kita man neto, pakita ko. Life begins on the day one starts a garden. Naalala ko tuloy yung aking mother. Ang aking mother dear. Kasi mahilig siya sa garden. And this is today's activities. And very important tong tsunami evacuation route. 300 meters away. Dun siguro. So, activities. For today, 7:30 to 8:30. Ang ganda, basic stretching. Complimentary for in-house guest. Very good to. Gusto ko to. Tas 9 to 10. Uy, I like this. Basic Thai lesson. I want that. Thai boxing. I don't want. Batik painting. Oh. Fruit and vegetable carving. Canvas bag painting. Tapos tumbler artwork handcraft. Ang cute naman. May ganun pa. May herbal inhaler. Crafting. Tomorrow. Pinapakita rin. This is for tomorrow. Parang gusto ko to. 7:30 to 8:30. Sana magising ako at that time. And one of the reason then as to why I booked this hotel is because of the beach. Private beach? Private beach. Pero, parang ang rocky ng beach nila. Yan. Ang rocky ng beach nila. But it's okay. It's still swimmable. Ang gusto ko sana mag-sunbathing. May nagsa-sunbathing doon sa part na yon. Mag-iikot-ikot pa kami. Ayan si Lian. Ayan.
Ang gusto ko makita.
Ano ba yun?
Sorry.
Para maalaala mo ka na. We're heading back. Ayun na nga, yung near-rant ko. So, yung hillside view, mura ko siya na-book, 11K for 2 nights. So, nakita ko ngayon, 33K yung 2 nights. Parang wait lang. Mahal niya, di ba? Okay, parang it's a good deal. Kasi nabook ko siya ng mura. Pero, what bothers me, sabi niya, I've upgraded you to a sea view hillside. But nasa hillside pa rin, pero sea view, hindi na garden view or mountain view. Which is better. Pero, nung chinek ko, mas mura yun. Yung from the time I booked, bino ko yung pinakamura. Pero, nung ngayon, ang pinakamahal, yung pinakamura nila. Nagigets nyo ba? Am I making sense? Nade-deliver ko ba yung gusto kong i-deliver or i-communicate? So, yun. Anyway, gusto ko lang i-share. Tapos, very old na pala tong Tavern Resort. This is the first resort here in Phuket. That's why they have these giant trees na nagmumukhang duwende. Si Lian. Na pinut off ko yung vlog ko kanina kasi ginanon niya yung sabi ko kasi ang ganda, ganito ba kaganda, tapos ginanon niya, tapos pinatay ko yung DJI kasi panira kasi maganda dun, joke lang, maganda yung outfit niya, naka yellow siya, which is very nice. It's not her, it's so not her. Nang babash na naman ako kasi the entire time, from the day we arrived, ito lang yung araw na lumabas siya. Ganon. Yung AirPods. Okay. Hi guys. So, gusto ko nang i-share. Medyo naguguluhan ako kasi sa pricing ng hotel na to. Dahil, binuko ko hillside with terrace and bathtub. Nabook ko siya via trip.com, 11,000 for 2 nights. Ngayon, it's 14,000 per night. Total price, 33,000. Guys, nakita namin to katabi ng funicular area going to our room. Their secret garden. Pass through the mountains of dreams and step into color, life, and calm. Let the beauty of nature surprise you. Wow! Tas may motor. Where flowers are our inspiration to create smiles. Tavern. Oh my God, so nice. It is so beautiful. Ang ganda niya. Meron siyang walkway na ang sarap sa paa. Very Japanese feels. Pero bad trip yung background music na dapat hindi ganyan, but it's okay. So this is the secret garden. Dapat may ganito rin. Secret garden of Leia, ang aking mother. Tapos may water silang ganon. Dapat ganito sa Tanay. Impatience. Ano to? Mirabilis is a rare species of plant that is found in deep forests. It likes to grow on mountains in the southern region of Thailand. Okay. Ay. Mas magganito. May water. Sorry, Gab. Oh, wow. Ang ganda. Sana makagawa ko ng ganito para sa mami ko. Lord, bigyan mo naman ako ng maraming pera. Tapos, papaayos ko yung Tanay. Bibigyan ko ng magandang bahay ang mami ko. Kahit na hindi siya into bahay, okay lang daw siya sa sahig matulog. Diba? Gusto ko mabigay ng magandang lugar yung aking mother. Tapos yung daddy ko paggagawan ko ng kasino. De, joke lang. Bibigyan ko siya ng unlimited meat. Kahit na bawal siya doon. Gusto ko magkaroon ng ganito. Paano kaya ako magkakaroon ng ganito, Lord? Sabi ni Lord, Jade, meron ka ng panimula. You just need to tend it and grow it. Okay, Lord, I will do that. Gagawin ko yan. Diba yung mga ganitong ganyan ang cute, oh. Salawang parang si Mr. Tilok, founder of Tavern and Hotels, and presented this bonsai in 1987. Merong butterfly, oh. Ko na tong bonsai tree na to. Gusto ko ng ganito as a design. Oh, feeling ko. Ay, ala. Yay! Ang ganda niya. Diba? Ang laki lang. Pagpasok mo, parang ibang mundo na naman.
Parang may iba-iba silang ano.
Oo, tas ito naman. Sana makita to ng mami ko. Pero pag nakita niya, may gagawin ba siya? Siyempre wala, kasi ilang taon na siya. Where flowers are our inspiration to create smiles. Sorry, Kap.
By 3 p.m., we were finally informed that our room was ready. We were then escorted to our room using this big truck, which honestly made the experience kind of funny. At first, I thought this doesn't really feel like a five-star property, but then again, I completely understand why they used it. We had a bit of luggage, and obviously, a regular golf buggy wouldn't exactly be practical for carrying everything. So while this wasn't the most luxurious transfer, it definitely added a memorable touch to the experience.
Ay, hindi. Ayun o, magbabaking siya. Ah, baka yan yung bahay. Ang galing niya, ha?
Time for room tour.
Here's the room.
Rock and roll.
Ha? Gagi, may bayad yan. May bayad yan, Gagi. Wow! Thank you. Wow. Wow. Okay. So, okay. Alright, thank you. Wow. And they upgraded us. In-upgrade nila kami to a sea view. Oh, wow. We can see Patong. That's Patong sa background. Grabe yung ano dito. Dito, paakyat to. It's so very Tanay. And that's where we were walking earlier, dito sa baba. Ganda, may bathtub. I like it. I like it so much. Ang ganda. Ganda, no? Nung room.
So we just checked in, and I was honestly so happy with my room. You can definitely tell that the resort is old, but it still has its own charm. I also love the sea view and enjoyed every moment here, especially the sweet birthday surprise welcome. I did my makeup here, dressed up, and of course, took a lot of photos and videos with this beautiful view from my room.
So, here's my outfit. Naks, feeling. Ito yung outfit ko. Puta kami ng old out para makita naman ni Lian. Naisip niyang lumabas So, sige, labas tayo. Ang ganda dito. Meron kaming bathtub, pero hanggang dito ko lang papakita dahil may mga breath panty si Lian sa labas. Ang ganda-ganda niya talaga. Like, this is paradise. This is a 5-star hotel dito sa Phuket. Phuket, not Phuket. Ay, kita! Yun. So, ito yung balcony namin. May 2 seating dyan and bathtub. Ang ganda. Ganda-ganda talaga. Kita pa yung... Ang ganda. Marisa's Dream. Sawadee Kap. Uy.
Pagkakita na lang ako dahil. Wait lang doon yun. Pagkakasaba nito rin ako nag-ride si...
We are off to Old Town Phuket. But before that, I'm going to get my 2 free beers.
We go rock it a special way. Today. I just wanna have some fun, yeah. Today. I just wanna be merry and alive, yeah. Today. I just wanna Chelsea and Lauren, yeah. Today. I wanna have fun with you, cause it's your birthday, for real. Oh yeah, check out your loja, yeah. It's your birthday, for real. Oh yeah, check out your loja, yeah. Today.
Parang Barquillo siya. Pero may malambot sa gitna.
I just wanna be merry and alive, yeah.
Hello!
Today.
One order, medium.
I just wanna Chelsea and Lauren, yeah. Today. Come have some fun with you, cause it's your birthday.
Go! Sarap.
In the Old Town Sunday Market, our next stop was Banglarong. We took a grab to Jungsilon Mall where I quickly stopped to buy some khaki doll goodies before heading out.
May makeup. Gusto ko nga eyebrows. Bili ako neto.
Dito nangyayari.
Mga hindi bumibili, pero nagtatry. Tester. Ang ganda nito, yung end by Rom End. Ito.
Ito din parang bagay sa'yo din.
Ayoko mag-ano eh. Same ano? Ang ganda ng brand na to. Ano yung mga to? Pink PK01 ba yan?
Bilhin mong picturean
Oo nga no.
or video. Sama sa video.
Hindi, iniisip ko kung yan ba yun yung nandun sa baba. Pero siguro oo. Siya. Ayan, magsasarado na yung mall. Tapos si Lian nasa loob pa din. Para siyang sa family namin, para siyang si Ate Judy. For the shopping, kahit magsasara na ang lahat. So, susunduin natin siya. Siya yung nalolost, nahanapin mo. Yun. Ganon. Ano na? Tapos sa Uniqlo talaga siya pumunta. Bakit Uniqlo, girl? Charing. Pumasok na ako kasi doon mainit. Dito malamig. Sana may upuan. Tapos gusto kong mamili ng pagkain. May kinain kami kanina sa Old Phuket Town. Old Town. Kaso nga lang, nakakabusog siya, pero ngayon gutom na ako ulit. Gutom na ako ulit. Love it. Ayan na, nakikita ko na siya. Siyempre, walang binili yan. Oh, sabi na walang binili.
After that, we made our way to Bangla Road, ended the night at the beach, and of course, did a little partying to wrap up the day.
We're here in Bangla Road. Bangla Walking Street.
I hear you calling for me, yeah, calling for me. I can't stay. I'm not chasing my dreams, yeah, chasing my dreams. Dropping everything.
Yay! We're drinking beers by the beach. Siyempre, sinong naka-sunmig light? Siyempre, si Leon. Yung bibili ng manok, mura na nga. Nasa Thailand na, nag-sunmig light. For the arts. Best in arts, si Leon.
We dropped by Armania, the first Renaissance-inspired upscale nightclub on the island of Phuket, and we transferred to Illusion. And this is the highlight of the night, where the DJ plays my favorite song.
It's July 27, and this is our last full day here in Taiwan or in Phuket. Wala pa akong tulog. What? Pero nagugutom ako, so maaga akong pupunta ng mag-breakfast, and then the entire day sa resort lang ako, I think. So here's my outfit. Very jungle feels. Jungle feels. Nandito na naka-swimsuit na ako. Naisip ko, it's 6:47. Matagal pa yung aantayin ko sa funicular train. So, tatawag na lang ako ng tuk-tuk service. Ito, merong phone dito. So, I'll just call. Hi, good morning. Can you pick me up at room 3214? No, for breakfast. Yes. Thank you. Sabi siguro, aga naman nun. Anong oras pa lang? Breakfast na agad. Sorry. Kasi yung friendy ko, nagpaka-pabebe last night. So, hindi kami nakakain. I mean, siya okay lang kasi OMAD siya. Like, girl, who does that? Who does OMAD on holidays in abroad? On a different country. It's so weird. But, you have to understand. Sabi nga ng friend ko, baka understanding mo, no? Talaga? Hindi. Ginudge ko na siya. Marami na siyang narinig sa akin masakit na salita. Kasi can you just imagine,
I paid for everything. I paid for it. Pero, ika-4th day niya lang siya lalabas. Tapos may mga breakfast pa na binayaran mo na hindi niya kinain. Tapos, kung kailan lang siya magugutom, doon lang siya lalabas. Tapos, paglabas niya, sabi niya, ang ganda pala dito. Like, talaga. Pero syempre, hindi ka pwedeng maging totoo fully because makakasakit ka ng tao and you're going to be the bad guy. Pero nakakwento ko nga siya sa friend ko. Sabi ng friend ko, bait mo, no? Considering ikaw pa yung nagbayad. Ay, ganun talaga. Anyway, hindi ko siya antayan. I will not wait for her. Bala siya. So basically, the audio was surprisingly muted, and honestly, I think it was meant to be muted. But from what I can remember, I was already ranting about my friend at this point and talking about how there are just some people you're not compatible with when it comes to traveling. It's hard when you're the person who planned and paid for everything, hoping to share a nice holiday with someone, only to realize that you may not be dealing with the same level of maturity or consideration. I don't know if it was immaturity or selfishness or just a lack of awareness, but at some point it started to feel like my experience and the fact that it was my birthday trip didn't really matter. I was also talking about my plan to spend the day by myself. I hadn't really gotten much rest that night because of everything going on. So after breakfast, I planned to sleep at the beach for a bit and spend the rest of the day alone. I was really trying not to think about how she affected my birthday trip, but honestly, she was living rent-free in my mind the entire time.
Ayan na yung bagay ko. Retuk-tuk. Good morning. Okay. Good morning, Tavern. It's around 7:30, I think. And this is the beach. There's no people yet. And this is my spot. And this is my ice cream. I just finished sleeping. Doon ako natulog dito banda. Dito sa area na to. Ayun ba? Ito. Dito ako natulog. Ayun. Tapos, pagising ko, pandamaya sila dito sa labas. It's a good weather. Sunny with a bit of clouds. Or cloudy with a bit of sun pala. Ayan. Nandun ako. Ito yung bed ko. Ito yung sunbed ko. Yan, yung may bag dyan. Okay? So, we're currently here. Ayan, ikot tayo sa pool. Let's go around. Ang ganda kasi meron pa silang ganitong feature. Diba? Amazing! Ay! Nabasa ako. O, diba? So nice. Hi, Savorn Resort. This is a 5-star resort here in Phuket, Thailand. So medyo, this is like a little underground bridge. Yeah. I'm trying not to film guests. Nakita mo ganda. Let's go. I'm just walking. So there are villas by the pool. So if you have kids, I think this is a good villa to stay in. Yan, dito, it's a bit, shallow na, shallow. Dapat ganito pala yung yung sa Tanay, ganito ang itsura. Like there are hanging leaves, ba to? I forgot what it's called. Oh, there are kids swimming. Ganda, oh. With the coconuts. Ay, coconuts. Cactus. Lumalalim na dito. And this is where we were earlier. And then there's another water thing here. Ayan ang pool bar. Dito ako natulog kanina. This is where I slept earlier in the morning. Because I didn't want to go back to the room after breakfast. So I just stayed. There's my house this morning. So this is another little bridge. So we just went around. Woo! Oh, that's a pool bar. Woo! And then let's go back. Wow. Everyone, it's already 34. This is my last day and last full day. So buong araw lang ako dito. I'm on full day lang ako dito sa pool. Dito ako natulog. Tapos dito, this is my swimsuit from, I forgot. Maganda itong suit na to. I like it. I will keep this. Swim. Show off lang. Mag-video ka tayo sa iba't ibang place. Ang laki-laki ng Tavern. Ang laki-laki ng Tavern Resort. Sobrang ganda dito. Papaikutin ko kayo. Tutour ko kayo. Okay. Finally. There's shade. Thank you. Popcorn ka. Yay. Oh, wow. Yes, thank you. Thank you. So I got 2 Singha Thai beer. So it cost 180. Pero sa labas, around, I think, 50 baht lang yan. So free is still free. Thank you. Init na naman, no? Buti na lang, pinutop na yung umbrella. Hi guys! Dito na ako. This is our last day. Oh my God. Meron pa akong drinks. Free drinks. Laki ng tiyan ko. Yan. Tapos may free beer pa ako. 180. 180 siya kapag ka nasa dito. Tapos 50 baht lang pag nasa labas. Sarap. Sarap ng libre. Ang napansin, ang ganda na ito. Ganda, diba? This is the second pool. Super ganda dito. Punta ba ako? Sige, I'll try to go there. Guys, pupunta ako dito sa second pool. Pang bata. So, try kong hindi makapag-video ng mga tao. For their privacy. Kasi, napansin ko yung resort na to, talagang for the family talaga, or couples. Walang single dito. Ako lang ata. Siya yan. So, yun. Ito siya. Ganda. Adjust natin. Ang ganda. Sobrang ganda. Babalik ba ako dito? Siguro, oo. Kung mura pa din. Yes. Ano, meron sila parang jet ski. Ayan, punta tayo doon. Doon. Let's go. Hindi ko na nakikita yung mukha ko sa camera. Ito siya. Kita ba? Kita ba? Welcome to Tavern Resort. Ako lang yung gumagamit ang tripod dito.
What is your birthday?
Will I stay here again? Yes. Ang ganda. It's a 5-star resort. It's not new. But it's not pretentious. Yun. Yun yung siguro yung term ko. It's not pretentious na 5-star. Kasi it's a classic 5-star hotel or resort. Yan. Try natin mag, ano yan? Mag-float. Try natin mag-float. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Pumasok sa ilong ko. Float pa more. Sige, float ka pa, Jade. Parang ang tanga. Ayan. Papakita ko na lang. Yung harap. May naglilinis. This is the coconut trees. Ito yung papuntang beach. That's the view. Going to the beach. May mga naglilinis. Sawadee-kap. That's the main lobby. Yung nasa gitna main lobby. Yung nasa left, yung VIP lounge. Tapos, yung nasa right, yung Marisa restaurant. So, dito nagbe-breakfast sa Marisa. Gusto ko mag-picture din dyan. I'm gonna take photos there. Ganda oh. Kailangan ko sulitin ng mga photos kasi binayaran ko to eh. So, kung yan, I was eating here earlier dito. So, here's the grand entrance. This is the VIP lounge. I believe my area dito, this is not the garden area eh. Pero Kiri Huts, I think. Nakakatawa yan, no? May parang jet ski na pang bata sila. Gusto ko magkaroon ng ganyan. So, ang ganda. Ang ganda-ganda. Everything is so beautiful, Lord. Maraming salamat. Ganda. Life is so beautiful. Thank you so much, Lord, sa binigay mo sa aming mundo. Ang ganda-ganda. Sana talaga, ang wish ko, well, marami akong wish. Gusto ko magkaroon ng ganito. I think, this is asking for too much. Pero, kay Lord kasi, walang too much. Gusto kong magkaroon ng ganito sa Tanay. Parang parang delusional lang datingan. Pero, hindi naman ganito ka-grand, pero, very foresty kasi yung resort eh. Masyadong malaki lang yung pool. I don't think, I don't know, maybe I can afford it. We'll see. Ayokong magsabi na hindi ko afford. Pero yun, gusto ko ng ganito. Gusto ko magkaroon ng ganitong bahay or buhay, hindi bahay. Environment yung parents ko. Nagigising sila, may nagluluto na ng breakfast para sa kanila. Yung mommy ko hindi siya namang problema sa kakainin. She'll just wake up and take care of herself, or somebody will take care of her as well. Pati yung dad ko, naglalakad-lakad siya. Meron siyang favorite seat kung saan niya pinapakinggan yung mga birds. Ganun kasi siya eh. Mga 4 o'clock pa lang, nag-iikot na siya. Meron naman kaming ganun sa Tanay, but I want it better. I want a better life for them. Ba't ka naiyak? Sobrang yun yung wini-wish ko. Para sa kanila. Ayan. Tapos makakapaglaki yung daughter ko. May petting zoo, katulad nung nandito, petting zoo. Ganon. 7 o'clock to 8 o'clock. Merong breathing exercise. Ganon. Nakaka-happy, diba? Hello! Nakaka-happy, diba? Gusto mo yun, umiiyak ka pa tapos may nag-hello sa'yo. So yun, gusto ko ng ganon, gusto ko ng ganon. Gusto ko ng ganyan, yung makakapag-ganyan si Olivia. May jet ski, ganon. May naglilinis para sa mommy ko. Hindi yung konsume, nakukonsume siya. Kasi magulo. Gusto ko malinis para sa kanya. Ayun, gusto kong maayos na mundo. And feeling ko, kailangan ko na magmadali. Kasi tumatanda na sila. Hindi ko nga lang alam kung paano ko siya gagawin. Lublob na lang tayo. Lublob. Ayan. Okay, let's refresh. Ayun. Tapos dadating ako sa Tanay. Meron pa palang Tapos dadating sa Tanay ng, alam mo yung, merong nakaprepare sa'yo na bed, na bagong linens. Because people are working for you. Hindi ko pa siya magawa ngayon eh. Tapos inuuna ko pa yung bakasyon. Pero sabihin na natin part of R&D na to. Part of research and development. Ayun lang. Anyway, ang dami ko ng dinama. Nakakatuwa naman yung bata. Nag-hello pa. Ayun lang. Ito na yung place. This is Tavern Village Resort, I think. And sobrang happy ako dito. Sobrang natuwa ako. Kasi it's so private. Ayoko nung may kakausap sa'yo. Feeling. Pero nai-gets nyo, ganun yung parang, basta, ito parang they're just minding their own business. Parang kahit nakatiwang ka dyan, yung tiyan mo okay lang, wala silang pake. Parang walang mga insecure na tao dito. Ayun lang, anyway. One last look. Before I go. Gusto ko sana may picture ako dito, pero hindi ko magawa. Dito. Ito, yung parang may hillside. Hindi nakikita pala. Okay. Tama na. Ayan ang ganda. Say hello to the video. Video.
Yeah.
Hello.
Don't help.
Ano sabi niya?
We can do this.
Sige. Ayan. Ganyan din ako ng bata ako. Dog paddle. As a hingal na person. Hingal ako dyan sa dog paddle na yan. Anong ganda ng view dito? Guys, change location lang muna ako. So, previously nandito ako banda sa likod na ito. Sobrang init. Nandun yung villa namin sa taas, here. And, dito na ako lilipat sa view na to. Kasi, parang ganda. Hindi siya parang, ganda talaga siya. Gusto ko ng ganitong view. Hindi naman puro pool. Tapos, this is my spot. Ayan yung spot ko. Sobrang, towel ko. Tapos ito yung bag. Pwede mo tong gamitin around the village. Pero, yan. Thavern Beach Village Resort and Spa. Pero, if you want to bring it at home, parang 800 baht siya. Siyempre, hindi natin yan gusto dadalhin. Ano ba? So, here's my view. May basurahan. Napaka-eco-friendly. Here's my view sa taas. And this is the beach. Ito ang mga seatmates ko. Ang happy, diba? Ang cute, guys. Pwede ba akong pumasok? Can I go in? Hi! Hello! Hi there! Hindi naman pala totoo yung pamahiin na wag daw mag-alaga yan kasi mabagal sa business. Ang cute mo nga eh. What if magkaroon ako ng ganyan? Meron ding bunnies. Natatawa naman ako. Ala! Ah, cute.
One thing that really surprised me was the petting zoo. At first, it didn't really excite me when I found out there was one here in Thavern. But the moment I saw all these cute animals, my heart just felt so full.
Hi, Hammer! I think alam na ni Hammer kung saan pupunta. Let's take a selfie. You don't want corn?
This was probably one of the highlights of my stay here at Thavern Beach Village Resort, the petting zoo. I've always been afraid of birds, so honestly, I couldn't believe how tame and friendly they were.
Gusto ko rin magkaroon ng ganito. Hala, gusto mo? Ay, sunflower seeds. Ay, ang galing niya kumuha ng sunflower seeds. Alam mo, favorite ko rin yan. Milk. Still wants milk. Maglakad do. Like parang madam. Oh, naglalakad si madam. It's as if she owns the place. Hello! Oh my God! Naiyak ako ngayon. Kain lang kayo. Alam na nila. Bye-bye! Bye! Bye! Bye-bye!
This was around 5 p.m. and I decided to order dinner through GrabFood. One thing I really appreciated about this resort was that they allowed guests to have food delivered via GrabFood. While waiting for my order at the lobby, I also found some refreshments waiting for me there, which was a nice touch.
There's my grab food. Oh, cup and cup. Oh, thank you. I just ordered our food. Yan, dami ah. And ito yung sinasabi kong garden na gusto ko para kay mommy. Sabi ng mommy ko, dali lang yan eh. Ganon. So, dito siya. Actually, dito siya sa entrance. Sa gilid siya, diba? Yan. Papunta siya sa Chan Wellness Spa. It's so enchanting. It's called Secret Garden. Ang ganda, oh. Tatry kong hindi maging mauga yung kamay ko. Ito dito, may pagganap na agad. Tapos, dito, Vogue. Okay, let's go. Itong tour pala na to, pupunta to sa train. Doon sa funicular train. Paakyat dun sa room. Ayan o, parang, alam mo, kahit hindi to type ng mami ko, deserve niya to. Yon. Ayan. Sabi ng mami ko, hindi ko naman yan type eh. Kahit na. Naks. Paggagawan kita niyan. Ha? Kahit na hindi mo gusto. Ayan o. Oh, cute. Anyway, ayan. Sensya na guys. Naghihingal ako. Hinihingal ako. Ayan o. Tapos after nyan, meron pang upuan dito. Ang ganda. Ang ganda. Ayan. Akala mo exit na, right? No, hindi pa exit. Yan. Meron pa dito. Oh, Bugs. Ito medyo gulo-gulo na. May mga cactus. May mga orchids. Tapos may entrance dito. Yan o, may dalawang horse. Papasok. Pero hindi tayo dyan dadaan. Tama ba? Yan. Nandun ang mga rooms. Yan, nandun sa taas. Bakit naman kasi dyan ang binook mo? Pero sige lang, go. Tapos mag-funicular tayo. Let's go! Yan o, ang daming paganap. Like, oh, books. May mga, I guess, workers or staffs. Sorry ka. Ayan o. Ang ganda, diba? Tapos meron pang daan dito. Oh. Parang naisip ko kagad yung tita ko. Si Tita May magpo-post. Pero hindi si Tita May kasi sa Japan ang punta namin. Ayan o. Ganun. Oh, Bugs. For the majestic. Ang mga horns. Ang ganda. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng ginawa ng mundo ni Lord. Walang elevator. Actually, mura na rin to eh. Oh, churrasco barbecue buffet. Huwag na nga. Yung kasama ko, OMAD. Sino ba naman kasing nag-OMAD sa bakasyon? Sino? Gerson and Lian. Okay. Ayan yung buggy service. Paggabi, ihatid ka nila. Ganyan. So yun. Meron pang 4th, may 5th, and may 6th. Pero dito kami sa 3rd. Sana lahat may buggy. Yun yung gusto ko. Yun yung resort na gusto ko. Yung may buggy per room. Yun. Sige, magka-traffic-traffican sila dito. Or bike. Kailangan ko na magpapayat. Nakita ko yung story ni Elle. Like, grabe. Super fit. Na naisip ko, kailangan kong maging fit sa next holidays ko para hindi ako hingalin. Tapos hindi ako hirap gumalaw. Tapos basta, I can do more. Next. I think I can do more. Totoo naman yan. No. Taas na ano. Sirinig ko yung mga usap nila sa taas. Anyway, siguro room for improvement dito sa room. Yung aircon hindi ganun kalamig. Yon. Yan yung napansin ko. Doon pa kami sa pinakadulo. Shocks. Ang ganyang bahay. Dumating na yung ni-request ko na water. Yung room boy. Thank you. Bye-bye. Yung food. Yung request ko. We're here. Sa taas. Grabe, ang taas. Okay. It's 6:33 p.m. My last sunset here in Phuket. I had a lot of fun. Thank you, Tavern. And I'm going to eat. This is my food. So many. My food. Oh, syempre, si Lian. Mayaman. Mga gamit niya. Mga gamit niya. Ayun, nandito na ako sa taas. Ibubook ko pa rin ba to? Yes. Pupunta ba kami dito ng mga anak ko? Yes. And ito na yung food ko. Crab fried rice. So excited. Kung alam ko lang na may... Ito na nga. So nag-antay ako ng Grab food, right? Doon ako sa lobby. Tapos, kita ko yung mga snacks na nasa VIP lounge. Nandun din sa labas. So para talaga pala yun sa mga guests. Yung mga dadating. Parang hindi siya para lang sa mga kakadating lang. Yung mga check-in lang. So, kaso nga lang yung susi kasi ng card, ay yung key card, kinuha ni Lian. So, hindi ako makapunta sa VIP lounge. Pero, dun sa labas, kung meron pa, kasi meron na dun mga stick o, pero kung meron pang donuts, fruits, drinks, may drinks pa. Ito, message. Sobrang tawag dito, pwede kang kumuha anytime. Yun. Nakakatuwa. Sobrang dun ko nakita. Tapos yun nga yung may mga animals na happy ako. Talagang sobrang happy ako. Alam nyo, hindi na kumain. Ito na nga, kasi growing up, meron kaming dog before, si Chichi, pero yun lang yung dog. Tapos parang yung ate ko ayaw sa dog, ayaw sa cat, kasi na ano siya, na ano yun, basta ayaw niya sa animals kasi nakagat siya. So ako, dahil ito message, dahil ano ba to? Ito message, ano, pag ayaw niya, ayaw ko din. So akala ko, ayaw ko ng animals. Takot ako, kahit na hindi naman pala ako takot. Ayun, natutuwa ako kasi dun ko na-realize over time, while being alone and being single, dun ko na-realize na gusto ko pala yung animals, gusto ko pala ng nature. Yun pala yung difference namin ng kapatid ko. May natuwa ako kasi kaya pala siya 5-star resort. Ang galing, sobrang ganda. Babalikan ko siya. And ito na pala yung crab fried rice, kain na. Gutom ako. May nag-text na tenant. Ano ba to? Kainis?
nag-swimming kanina, dun sa may pinakadulo. Yung parang bato.
Ah, oo.
Walang kataas.
Good morning. This was our last and final day in Phuket. And before we wrapped up our stay, let me show you the breakfast spread here at Tavern Beach Village Resort. But later, she will go down.
Okay, sure. Right now. Yep.
Thank you. Deep fried dough stick. And Thai pandan custard, condensed milk. Uy, ito yung mga toppings. I love it. An Asian noodle station. This is the coffee station. Oh, you can order. Yeah. Cheyenne. What's this? No, yan. A salad, yeah. Wow. There's drinks. Para sa cereal station. Jams. This is for the bread. Wow. Ang daming grains. Donuts, banana muffins, bread pudding. Oh, this is Franco's favorite. Danish raisin roll, croissant, chocolate croissant, my favorite. Breads, of course, sourdough. We want sourdough. The egg steak. Oh, wow. Pancake, French toast, boiled egg. There's bacon, chicken sausage. Wow, sauteed tomatoes and fried potatoes. Chicken shawarma, but I'm gonna wait for it. Akute. Oh, shucks, sarap. Green curry with fish balls. Stir-fried pork with ginger. I want this fried rice with pork. Steamed rice. Salad station. Ice cream. With the cheese, mozzarella, and butter. It's our last day, and it's currently, I think, 9 in the morning. Our seat here. Wow, kahapon chicken and pork skewer. Thai favorites. Oh, Captain Crab. I had ice cream. Tapos naglagay ako ng almonds, sunflower seeds, and chocolate. Ang tagakuha ng mga foods. After breakfast, I asked the hotel if we could get a late checkout, and thankfully, they granted us an extra hour. So instead of checking out at noon, we'll be checking out at 1 p.m. The plan is to spend some time at the VIP lounge afterward, try to get a little work done, and then leave the resort at around 4 p.m. The airport is about an hour away, and since our flight isn't until 8 p.m., we still have a few hours to relax before heading home. Today is our last day. This is our 7-day trip here in Phuket. I'm currently staying here in Tavern Resort and Tavern Beach Village Resort and Spa. It's so beautiful here. Phuket is so beautiful. I wish I can go back here and spend time with my family. Madala ko sila dito. My mom, my dad, my kids, even my sister. I wanted her to visit here kasi ang dami, food haven siya. There's a lot of misconception with Phuket being a red light district or city or alam mo yun, a place where, things happen. But it's not all about that kasi even in different countries, they also have that. Even in Manila, even in Australia. So, Phuket isn't different. I mean, siguro the way they show it, it's one of why tourists are attracted to come here. And more liberated lang din because of the rules. I can see a lot of illegal stuff where I think it's already legal here, I'm not sure. But it's really up to you if you want to go to these places. And as for me as a solo traveler, and the reason why I went here is for my birthday trip and for me to relax. I think I visited those places and I was actually happy to see it. But if you're the type to come here and visit all these places, it's okay. My point is, Phuket is so big, so beautiful. Even if 7 days ka dito, it's not enough. There are lots of beaches, not only in Patong. There's Surin, Kamala, Kata, Karon, Rawai. There's a lot of things to do. Even me, after 7 days, I haven't really explored the entirety of the island or the area. This is not an island. So yeah, today is our flight back. It's going to be Phuket, Singapore to Manila via Scoot, and I'm so excited to see 2 different aircrafts via Scoot. The last time I've tried Scoot was back in 2017, and then coming here from Singapore to Phuket, I tried Scoot, but it's a mid-size aircraft. So this time it's 2 different aircrafts, one large and one mid-size. So I think it's Boeing 747 and another Boeing, but a mid-size aircraft. So I'll see. I hope I have the energy to record everything from Phuket to Singapore to Manila. We only have 1.55 hours late. Already saw our seat assignment. So there. We're checking out. It's already 12 and here's the aftermath of the room. And one last look. Kita ba? Bye, Phuket. Ganda talaga ng filter na to. Bye. Miss ko to. I'm going to miss this place. I love Tavern. I love my life. Sobrang ganda. So, the bed is so big. Tatlo. Parang you can fit 3 to 4 person inside this room. Time check, it's 12:05. Manila. But stop over in Singapore. Have you been to Manila?
Manila. What time flight?
Flight is 8. Yeah.
Everything okay?
Yeah. Very good. Thank you. For guests, they have a luggage weighing scale which was really helpful for checking if our bags were within the airline's weight limit. They also offered to keep our luggage for us while we waited and relaxed at the VIP lounge. Bye! Ayun yung jet ski. Yung mga bata.
Gusto ko magkaroon ng ganyan.